Hello friends, in this video we are going to talking about types of cloud computing. So basically there are four types of cloud: public clouds, private clouds, hybrid clouds and community clouds. We talk about public clouds. So public clouds are owned and operated by a third party cloud service providers which deliver their computing resources like servers and storage over the internet. Public clouds are the most common type of cloud computing deployment. With a public cloud, all hardware, software and other supporting infrastructure are owned and managed by the cloud provider. So this type of cloud is usually for business to consumer type of interactions. So the advantages of public clouds are in terms of lower cost. In public clouds there is no need to purchase hardware or software and you only pay for the service you use. In terms of maintenance, your service provider provides the maintenance. In terms of near unlimited scalability, on demand resources are available to meet your business needs. And in terms of high reliability, a broad network of servers ensures against failure. If we talk about the private cloud, a private cloud refers to a cloud computing resources used exclusively by an organization. A private cloud can be physically located on the company's on-site data center. In a private cloud, the services and infrastructure are maintained on a private network. The private cloud can be physically located at your organization's on-site data center or it can be hosted by a third-party service provider. Private cloud is mostly used for intra-business interactions where the computing resources can be governed, owned and operated by the same organization. So advantages of private cloud are in context of more flexibility. Your organization can customize its cloud environment to meet specific business needs. In context of more control, resources are not shared with others, so higher levels of control and privacy are possible. In context of more scalability, private cloud offer more scalability. Hybrid cloud combines public and private clouds bound together by technology that allows data and applications to be shared between them. By allowing data and applications to move between private and public clouds, a hybrid cloud gives your business greater flexibility, more deployment options, and helps your existing infrastructure, security and compliance. This type of cloud can be used for both type of interactions, business to business or business to consumer. This deployment method is called hybrid cloud as the computing resources are bound together by different clouds. In the hybrid cloud, non-critical activities are performed by the public cloud and the critical activities are performed by the private cloud. So the advantages of hybrid cloud are, if we talk about in terms of flexible and secure, it provides flexible resources because of the public cloud and secure resources because of the private cloud. In terms of cost effective, the cost of hybrid cloud is less than the private cloud. It helps organizations to save cost for both infrastructure and application support. In terms of security, hybrid cloud is more secure because critical activities are performed by the private cloud. And in terms of risk management, hybrid cloud provides an excellent way for the companies to manage the risk. If we talk about the community cloud, so the community cloud is a cloud infrastructure that allows systems and services to be obtained by a group of several organizations to share the information. It is owned, managed and operated by one or more organizations in the community, a third party or a combination of them. In community cloud, the cloud setup is shared manually among different organizations that belong to the same community or area. Advantages of community cloud are in reference to flexible and scalable. The community cloud is flexible and scalable because it is compatible with every user. It allows the users to modify the documents as per their needs and requirement. In reference to cost effective, community cloud is cost effective because the whole cloud is shared between organizations or community. In reference to security, community cloud is more secure than the public cloud but less secure than the private cloud. In reference to sharing infrastructure, community cloud allows us to share cloud resources infrastructure among various organizations. In the next video, we'll talk about type of cloud computing services in detail. So if you are new to this channel, I request you to please do subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon so that you will get the notification when I upload the next video. Thank you.